Over to you, Muneer.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir. You're audible.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. So, myself, Muneer KH. I was part of academia for past 5 years. And I was teaching the post-graduation student in management for almost 4 years, and I have a few experience in a manufacturing business and manufacturing industries. And the topic here we are going to discuss here is all about the web-based learning in the context of national education policy. So we are right now in a pandemic situation, right? So all the segments of the life got affected with this virus. So of course in the academia also this also affected in academia, or maybe we can say for the student community and also for the people in teaching. So the sudden shift happened in the area of education has great impact on the student and the teachers. So the central government recently introduced the National Education Policy 2020 in the month of July, and you know that the 2020 is a very important year for all of us. We all are in the lockdown situation in that time. So we know that the world is undergoing a rapid changes in the knowledge landscape due to this coronavirus. So before discussing about the web-based learning, we need to discuss about what is education according to the National Education Policy 2020. Education is a fundamental for achieving the full human potential, developing an equitable and just society, and promoting the national development. So education has a role in the nation building. We all know that education has a very key role in national building. So government introduced the National Education Policy 2020 by replacing the Indian Education Policy 1983. So it creates a wide number of changes in the education scenario of India. So of course, the education is a very important part of nation building, and also the people in academia needs to contribute to our nations. We all know that we all are the human resource of this country. So we need to upskill ourselves to cope up with the changes all across the business environment happening. So the education is not only for the nation building, but also in a personal level, we can say that education must build the character, enable learners to be ethical, rational, compassionate, and caring, while at the same time prepare them for gainful, fulfilling employment. So in a personal level, for each one of us, education will be much more beneficial, thereby contributing ourselves to the national building. Over to the next slide. So the concept of education, we already discussed that the education is a fundamental for achieving the full human potential, right? So the modern education has mainly, according to the 2020 policy, the modern education has mainly 3 pillars, right? First one is teaching. Teaching involves the teachers. Learning, that involves the students. Learning is all about the modification of the human behavior. And the third is all about the research. So in the policy, in the new education policy, the government is more focused on the research aspects. So government is funding a huge amount of money is planning to spend a huge amount of money in research activity, thereby starting we can see that for the coming years, we can see many government is investing a huge amount of money for the research teaching in universities, and also the autonomous colleges all across. So we can say that the new education policy replaces the old educational concepts like STEM, The old education concept is called STEM. That means S for science and technology, E for S and T for science and technology, E for engineering, and the last M for mathematics. But according to the new education concept, it is not STEM policy; it is STEAM policy. That means S and T for science and technology, E for engineering, A for arts and mathematics. So government is also focusing more to the arts and science sector also. I mean the humanities and social science sector. So the global education development agenda is mainly ensure inclusive and equitable quality education and promote lifelong learning opportunity for all by 2030. So the NEP Policy 2020 is focused on the global education development agenda. Thereby, we can ensure the inclusive and equitable quality education and promote the lifelong learning opportunity for all. See, this can only be possible. This can only be possible with the help of technology. With the help of technology, we can ensure the inclusiveness or the inclusiveness and the equitable aspects of providing quality education for all the segments of the people, whether the people from the rural or the urban area can access the quality education from the renowned institutions. Before the situation is different. Before that, we need to apply for a reputed institution. We need to crack the competitive examination to get into the reputed institution. So that is a huge process, or maybe the hectic process. But right now, the eminent institutions in India like IITs, IIMs, and the eminent universities in India are offering the online courses for the learners actually. So thereby they are ensuring the inclusiveness and also sharing knowledge without any disparities. So according to the NEP Policy 2020, the scientific and technological advances such as the rise of big data, machine learning, and artificial intelligence, many unskilled jobs worldwide may be taken over by machines. So we know that the technological advancements happen in the world has bring unprecedented shift in the area of academia. So we can say that with the quickly changing employment landscape and the global ecosystem, it is becoming increasingly critical that the children not only learn but more importantly learn how to learn. So education thus must move towards a less content and more towards learning about how to think critically and solve the problems, and how to be more creative and multidisciplinary, and maybe we can say that how to innovate, adapt, and absorb the new changes that is happening all across. So while the need of the skilled workforce, the particularly involving the mathematics, so previous slide. So while the need for a skilled workforce, particularly involving mathematics, computer science, data science in conjunction with the multidisciplinary abilities across the sciences, social sciences, and humanities will be increasingly in greater demand. So basically the NEP 2020 is focusing mainly to integrate the science and technology with the social science and humanities subjects. So that's why we can recently the eminent institutions like IITs and IIM is offering many humanities and social science courses, just like law, or maybe we can say many arts courses in the technology institute. The main objective is to integrate the science and technology with the more humanities and social science subjects. Over to the next slide. So this NEP policy envisions an education system rooted in the Indian ethos that contribute directly to transforming India, that is Bharat, sustainably into an equitable and vibrant knowledge society by providing the high quality education to all, and thereby making India a global knowledge superpower. So even if we are maybe we can say that we are shifting to a new environment. We are the Indian education policy envisions mainly to transform India according to our ethos and our values. The next slide. So the web-based learning in India has a huge impact and very positive impact in learners all across our country. In this regard, the NEP 2020 recognizes the importance of leveraging the advantages of technology while acknowledging its potential risk and dangers. What is the potential risk and dangers in web-based learning? We need to understand that. We need to discuss about that. Why we have certain limitations to a sudden shift to the what to say sudden shift to the changing situations in the academia. So we have a very poor network internet facilities here. Maybe many students are facing kind of access to the digital tools and digital devices. So we, of course, we have certain what to say certain limitations, but the NEP 2020 is mainly is actually recognizes and also investing a huge amount of money to solve all those limitations for the web-based learning. So it calls for a carefully designed and appropriately skilled pilot studies to determine how the benefits of online digital education can be reaped while addressing or mitigating the downsides. So over to the next slide, please. Yes. Yeah. So so by thereby creating a dedicated unit of building a world-class digital infrastructure and educational digital content and capacity, we can solve all those limitations, right? So most of the students are familiar with the Swayam platform, right? I hope most of them are familiar with the Swayam platform. We have Swayam platform, Diksha platform for the teachers, and ePathshala platform for the postgraduate courses or maybe the postgraduate students. So the government is striving hard to deliver the best and top quality content for the learners all across the country, and government is imparting all those activity with the support of Ministry of Education and the Ministry of Human Resource Development. So government has a very clear-cut idea that India is a young country with the average population of 28 years. So we all are the enormous scope and possibility for the nation building, or we can say the development of our nation. So the technology-based education platforms such as Diksha, Swayam will be better integrated across the school and higher education and will include rating reviews by users so as to enable the content developers create users-friendly and qualitative content. So before that, I just need to know that whether you people are already completed an online course or not. So I will just share a link in the chat box. So please click the link and respond to the questions that we shared. Jim sir, can you share?
Yeah, can you send that link?
1 second. Yes, it's already in the chat box. So please respond to that link to know how.
Yeah, Muneer, can you share your screen so that
Yeah.
we can
Yes,
see the
yes.
statistics?
I will. Please stop your sharing. All of you, please respond to that link, please.
Yeah, please share the screen.
Yes, yes. See, the MOOC course is basically the massive open online course. So if you completed at least a online course, I mean, from any platform, you can just click the link and respond. See, we can see that most of the students are not
Everyone, please click on the link and answer to the question.
So any online course just that you have done?
Okay, see, most of the students are not completed any online courses. Okay, again, we can say that, sir, almost only, I think only 10-50% students are completed an online course in this pandemic time. Okay, so. See, this is the statistics. You can see here. Most of them didn't completed at least one mock course. Only 10 students responded that they completed the mock course. So again, that's enough. That's enough. And again, there is other question for you. Say most of the, 9 students did course from NPTEL, 8 from Udemy, 8, 9 from Udemy, almost, Udemy and NPTEL is familiar for students. Coursera is only 3 students and only 7. Okay, fine. So I think I can stop the presentation for the Mentimeter.
Okay, Muneer, you can stop your presentation. I will share the screen.
Okay, sir. 1 second.
Hello.
1 second, sir. 1 second. Facing a little technical issue. Yes, I stopped the presentation. Okay, so we got a little idea about the students. I think most of the students are from MCA background, right? MCA and BCA background, and almost 10-50% students are familiar with the online courses and online courses, or maybe they completed the courses. So see, students, I just need to make you aware that we have a very very eminent platform for you to gain a certification from online courses. Gain a certification from the good eminent institutions. So the technology-based education platforms such as Diksha, Swayam will be better integrated across the schools and higher education sector to embody the essence and the importance of online web-based learning in India. Over to the next slide. So we will introduce some better and best online platform for you to get into get a certification from the most eminent institutions of our country. See, the SOIM is a common platform for. Can you switch off the mute the audio, please? I have a little issues with my. Yeah, thank you. Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Thank you. So thank you. So SWAYAM is a common platform that is it is a project by the MHRD ministry to impart the online or maybe the web-based learning education all across our country. So, so in that SOIM platform, they are offering n number of courses from different educational agencies like NPTEL, NIOS, NCRT, what we can say, IIMs, IIM Bangalore, and different eminent educational agencies are offering the online courses in SOIM platform. And you can just browse it in the your browser. That SOIM is just an online platform. Everyone can access with just a Google, maybe just a mail ID, and you can also download the SOIM application from your Play Store, and you can enroll for the best courses. And right now it's the apt time or the correct time to enroll for the courses for the June December courses. Already the online courses are started, so you just need to enroll right now. I think you might be having 10 more days to enroll for the best courses out of the country from the best professors. So see, as most of the students are from the technical background, you can explore the emerging technologies like machine learning, IoT, deep learning, and if the students need to learn new languages, they can also enroll for a course for the different foreign language. And also, if you need to enroll for a personality development course, the SOIM is for you. So my suggestion to my audience is that it is better to do a course in NPTEL. Why I'm saying is that NPTEL is offering the best quality content. They are offering the video lectures. They are offering the best quality content from the faculties, and also they are also offering the live classes for the students who got enrolled for the different programs. Usually the NPTEL is offering 4-week, 6-week, and 4-week, 8-week, and 12-week programs. So the maximum time for a online course is just 3 months. That is 12 weeks. So IIT Madras, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Ropar, IIT Lucknow, all those eminent institutions in our country is offering different certification courses in NPTEL platform. And of course, you can access the content for free. And if you need a certification, or if you need to get certified from NPTEL, you just need to register for an examination. If you register for an examination, you can gain certification from the eminent institutions all across the country. So over to the next slide. Okay, yeah. So yes, fine. So regarding the NPTEL, I discussed, and the Jibin sir will show you and explore, give you an opportunity to explore the different areas of web-based learning. You can access the different web-based learning portals. He will introduce you the different tools for you to gain certification from the various domains that you are interested. If you are interested in machine learning, you can enroll a course in that. If you are interested in C++ programming, you can enroll the course from the IITs. So I mean, there are few students who are doing their post-graduation, and you need to get employed, right? So if you need to focus in a particular area or particular domain, it is better for you to get a certification from the best eminent institution from India. So over to the Jibin sir.
Okay, thank you, Muneer. Thank you. So I will introduce some of the popular platforms where you can learn online, right? So like many multinational companies, as part of their corporate social responsibility, they are providing so many opportunities for students for taking certifications and doing the online courses, and they will provide badges, they will provide certificates, and many opportunities are there. And I will like to introduce Salesforce. So anyone heard about Salesforce? Can you respond in chat? So are you, anyone is learning Salesforce or anyone heard about Salesforce? Any respond? Yes, okay. Yes, yes, no. Okay. So Salesforce is a customer relationship management platform, or it's a CRM platform that help you in doing your business, right? In any business, it's a platform that can be adopted by any company, and they can customize that platform and they can do that platform for doing their business, right? And most of the companies are adopting the Salesforce platform. It's a cloud infrastructure as a service provider, and they give their platform to do their uh, business. All right. So, what is Salesforce for? It is for marketing, service, commerce, analytics, integration platform. So many applications are there, and currently Salesforce is the fourth biggest company in the world. And as part of Salesforce, they are expecting 4.2 million jobs will be created in the Salesforce ecosystem by 2024, and it is the third in-demand technology skill in 2018 here. And currently the same situation is there, and 500k jobs will be in this year, and its growth is 2.7x. And also many companies are adopting this new platform. And so the main problem here is these much of opportunities are there, and the lack of skill employees are very less in this Salesforce platform. So they introduce a new platform called Trailhead, right? Trailhead for learning these technologies. So you can log into this Trailhead platform, and also you can start doing courses, right? Learn this Salesforce technology from the Trailhead platform, and it's a very interesting platform. They will learn. There are so many modules are there, and so many technologies, and so many things that you can learn new technologies, and there are so many activities are there. And it's an interactive platform also. You will get badges once you completed modules. You will get many points once you completed. Anyone is doing this Salesforce, this Trailhead? Anyone has logged into this Trailhead, and are you doing this different trials in Trailhead platform? So anyone is doing this Trailhead platform? Yes. Any response? Hello? Yes. Yeah, some students are doing. So once you have, as you know, once you are progressing, you will get different the badges, and you will get the points. Yeah, so that these are the different points. And once you have, they have created a new program called Become Job Ready Developer. And once you have completed that program, right, you have they have given some set of courses and some set of badges, and you have to complete that online badges. And once you have got that badges, you can apply for their global job fair, right? Every year Salesforce is conducting a global sales global job fair, where the students can apply for the different jobs in different. Yeah, ICT Academy train one batch in Salesforce, right? Right. ICT Academy is conducting such programs, and the students can join in that program, and they can do courses in this Trailhead platform. And once they are ready, they can apply for this global job fair, and they will get jobs in different platforms. It's a very good platform, and you just need to. It's a free platform also. You can log in from this trailhead.salesforce.com, and you can start learning. So if you are interested in this platform, it's a very interesting platform, and it's very interesting to do these courses also. And also there is a trailblazer community is there, which will help you in doing all these courses. If you have any doubts, and if you have any problems while doing these things, you can ask for the community help. So many groups are there, so many communities that will help you to do these things. So This is the first platform I would like to introduce. Next, we have another platform called Duolingo. I think it's a platform for learning new languages, right? You can learn any languages through this platform. It's a very simple platform. Through games, you can learn new words. You can learn any, so many languages are there, and you can learn any foreign language from this platform. It's a very nice platform. It's called Duolingo. So I will share the slides, and you can access the link also given. You can access it from there. Next, I would like to introduce another platform called Google Developers. Right, it's for learning Android. Right, Android's from Google, and you can log into this developer account using your Gmail account. Only a simple Gmail account is needed. You can log into that Gmail, and you can learn Android. Right, Android, Kotlin, new languages you can learn from Google, and also you will get badges while you complete, and this can be shown in your public platforms like LinkedIn. Right, it can be shared, and it's a very good platform. As we know, Android is from Google, and they are providing the learning. They have the code snippet, and also every thing you need to learn Android, Google is providing that. So it's a course from Google itself. You can log into this developer platform by just using the your Google Gmail account. Right, now we have another platform called Google Digital Garage. So Google Digital Garage is also a certification course from Google, right? They are providing the digital marketing course online, and once you have completed that, you will get a certificate from Google, right? Google certification will be you will get Google certification once you complete this course. So anyone has got this certificate from Google? Anyone have completed this digital marketing course from Google? Ah, yes, nice, good, good, very good. Okay, so next we have another platform called ePadashala. Right, ePadashala is another platform where you will get your notes. Right, so you are doing MCA, BCA courses, and for all the topics, all the different courses, you have the notes from different universities. They are providing, they have that interface, and from just going to this EPG, epadashalagroup.inflipnet.ac.in, you can log into that account, and you can download the different contents from this platform. And it's a very good quality content from different IITs, and you can download it and you can use it for your academic purposes. ePadashala. Okay. Next, we have some cognitive classes.ai. It's from IBM, right? So you can learn the new technologies from this portal, right? You just need to create an account. It's also free platform, right? You will get the different badges. I think certifications also they are providing with some fees. You can log into these cognitive classes, and you can do the courses in blockchain, data science, artificial intelligence, cloud, serverless, Docker. So many in so many latest cutting edge technologies you can learn from this cognitive classes.ai. It is from IBM. I will just go through these different platforms, and I will also share you the slides so that you can refer to that. Next is another platform, Sololearn, right? So learning to learn different programming languages, right? Different programming to learn programming, you can use Sololearn. Learn, play, learning, right? Python core, C++, Java, C++, C Sharp, then JavaScript. So many languages are there. You can learn the different programming languages in Sololearn, and also you will get certifications from this Sololearn once you have completed these courses. Next, we have Oracle Academy. So your college can become the Oracle Academy member, and once you have taken membership in Oracle Academy. It's from Oracle. You can learn the Java, DBMS, and other artificial intelligence, machine learning courses from Oracle. They are providing workshops. They are having a very good curriculum, and they are also providing the cloud platform, cloud infrastructure for doing such things. For students also, they are providing their cloud platform freely, and once your college can take membership in this Oracle Academy, and you can start doing these courses. So for that, you need the support from your faculty. Okay, so this is the link. You cannot do this course alone. There should be a faculty member, and he should take charge, and he can enroll the students in this Oracle Academy, and you can do these different courses. So once you complete these courses, you will get certification also. Next, we have another platform called OpenLanding. Here also you can learn the new technologies, and you can. It's also a free platform where you can log in and you can learn, and it also provides certificate. It's a simple platform. So many courses are there in this OpenLanding platform. And next, it's very familiar platform, Coursera, right? It was free for the. Hello. Yeah. Okay. So Coursera, it's a free. It was free for the from in the last year. The Coursera platform was absolutely free for doing any number of courses, and currently they have come up with another plan for students. 1 year you can do one course per year. It's free in this platform, so you can log in with your college account, and you can do one course free in a year, right? Any course you can take, and you can do it absolutely freely from Coursera platform. So this is the Coursera for campus. The college can join in this Coursera platform, and the college can enroll the students in this Coursera platform, and students can do a course in platform. So many courses are available. It's a very familiar platform, I know. That's why I'm not going to going in more detail. So next we have edX, right? edX is another platform where you can learn new technologies and new courses from very eminent universities like Harvard, from foreign universities also, Cambridge. You will get certificate, and this edX also is now free for students. Hope you know that, and you can do any number of courses from edX. And no, not any number. They have given like 200 courses made free for students, and you can enroll into this edX platform, and you can do that. All right. For that also, you need the college account. So you can do it from Harvard University, Georgia, Berkeley, from any foreign university. You can do very high quality courses from edX, and you also get the certifications from these courses, AWS, IBM. From all these, you will get certification. It's also free. I think edX is free till July 31st. They may extend the date. Currently, the edX platform is free for students till July 31st. Next should me. Like, you know that it's a platform. Many of us you are doing the different courses. You can do and get certification with a very nominal fees in this platform. Next, I would like to introduce another platform called Microsoft Learn, and which platform is better, Coursera, NPTEL? Actually. From both these courses, you can do varieties of courses, right? NPTEL is providing courses from the IITs and from such universities, and you will get certification from that. From Coursera also, they are providing the different contents. We cannot say which is better or like that. Microsoft is another. They have Microsoft also come up with a new platform for students called Microsoft Learn, where you can learn the new technologies and new Microsoft technologies, Azure, and also the .NET and other Microsoft related technologies. You can learn freely from this Microsoft Learn platform. For getting certificate, you have to pay. I think Roji sir is also taking charge in this Microsoft Learn, and you can take free courses from Microsoft Learn also. And another platform is for learning robotic process automation. You have Automation Anywhere University. Here also you can learn the robotic process automation, the next gen technology. You can learn it, and you will get the certifications from this robotic process automation university. And on certificate, you will get badges. I think for certification, for RPA certification, you need to pay, and you will freely get the badges. These badges you can give the link. You can show that badge in your LinkedIn, or you can show it in any public platforms. And it's also very valuable. It's a very nice, very good course, RPA automation by Automation Anywhere University. Okay, next, to learn blockchain technology, we have the KPA, Kerala Blockchain Academy. You can just enroll into this e-learning kpa.ai portal, and you can start doing the different blockchain courses, such as certified blockchain associate, and also you have the different courses like Quadra developer, and any other many courses are from Kerala Blockchain Academy is there in elearning.kpa, and also you will get certificate in the blockchain, right? As a teacher, you will get the certificate. It's also a very good courses for your career advancement. And I will introduce one more platform. It's called KidGlow, right? It's from Kerala Police, and for getting the cyber awareness, right? You can learn the new cyber laws and cyber awareness courses are there in KidGlow, and also you will get certificate once you complete. It's a Kerala government initiative, and Kerala Police is handling this KidGlow, right? Okay, thank you. So these are the so many others are there. These are some most important that I feel you should know about these things. Okay, so thank you. So any questions?
Okay, that was really cool, isn't it? Okay, thank you, sir, for these valuable informations. We will go ahead and take some time for the questions now. Just a reminder, please be sure to type your questions in the chat box, or you can ask it yourself. Please remember to unmute before asking.
So one more thing, we cannot say that which platform is better. You can have these platforms, and you can do a research in this platform, and you can select the best platform that you feel, right? All platforms are very good, and they are providing very good content, and you can select. You can have a research. You can search, and you can find the best platform, right? For blockchain also, so many institutions are providing, and you can identify yourself which is the best platform.
Dear students, if you have any doubts, please unmute your mic, and you can ask directly.
All platforms discussed free. Yeah, most of the platforms are free of cost, and for some platforms the content is free. For getting the certificate, you need to pay.
I would say that Jibin sir is the best person that you can ask doubts, because in the last pandemic time, in 1 year, he has almost attained more than 350 online courses certificates. I think that has come in the newspaper also. And one of his students in the college, same college, studying for MCA, and that one has come in the newspaper. I forgot her name. Actually, she also has got around okay, more than 350 certificates she has earned in 1 year.
Yeah, sir, it's 850.
850. Yeah. So that is truly something, beyond the imagination of a lot of us.
So actually, so many short courses are available. 2-hour certification courses are there in Coursera. You just need to do that course, you will get certificate, and you can it just will increase the count only.
Sir, here are some questions in the
Yes.
chat box.
Which is the best platform to study short time online courses? Udemy and Coursera also providing so many short courses. And most courses, almost all these courses span from 1 to 2 months maximum. And in Coursera, you have 2 hours courses, 3-hour courses are there. And once you complete that course, you will get the certificate also.
Okay, sir, one doubt from my side. Actually, we have a lot of platforms like NPTEL, SWAYAM, and let's say Udemy. So when I consider this Udemy, the content of Udemy is much better. Graphical wise or anything, it seems to be much better. But is it approved by any government organizations? Because NPTEL and SWAYAM, in the government platform itself, they insist the students to take courses either from NPTEL or SWAYAM platform. How about Udemy? Is it a good platform to continue on, or whether the certificate what we're getting from Udemy is recognized by any government agencies or universities?
So I think I can answer that.
Yeah. Okay, Mani.
Yeah. Okay. See, Udemy is a best platform. Platform to access the best quality content all across the world. In Udemy, I think most of the universities the international universities are high quality and eminent institutions. But the thing is that the courses that is offering by the NPTEL is much more valid when it comes to the students' part. Why I'm saying is that Udemy, Coursera, all those platforms are offering the courses and the content for the students, but they are actually the certification is actually an online certification. But we can attend the test after completing the course. But the NPTEL is providing a different. NPTEL is offering a different scene. After completion of the 4-week, 8-week, or 12-week course, they are conducting the examinations and they are sending the hard copies of the certificates. So I think it is much more valid. The students are attending the exams in an exam hall in a physical stage. So that is much more valid in the case of students to present in resume. I think it's a different.
They have a proper examination pattern also.
Yeah. They have a proper examination pattern also. So I think for students, I think it's my perception actually, but I think like that.
So if you want to learn something for the students, if you want to learn something, you go for any platform. You have got a lot of opportunities. Particularly, you have internet, you have Google, you have a lot of other platforms. So make use of it.
Yeah, right, sir.
Sir, here is another question. According to you, sir, which is the best, offline learning or online learning? Why?
Sir, as per the new education policy, both are equally important. Right, Muneer?
Yes.
Then here arises another question that, do we get equal treatment when two people, one with a completed course offline and one who completed the same from the online platform, came for a job?
Yeah, I can answer that, I think. Due to this policy is just released in July 2020, and very recently the two institutions like IIT Madras and also the IGNO is right now started to offer the online degree programs, not the online certification courses, online degree programs. IIT is offering online BSc degree in data science, and also IGNO is also started to offer the online degree programs. I think the UGC will definitely recognize all those courses with same with the degrees. Before the pandemic enrolled degrees, I think. So government is initiating certain methods to embed the online and offline teaching into a much more positive scenario.
Okay, sir, here is another question. Do you agree or disagree with using virtual learning in higher education context as compared to that of the practical and the theoretical learning?
So for practical learning, they are also providing many virtual labs, right? For like in Salesforce also, when you do the things, they are providing some virtual labs, virtual lab setup, so you can do the coding and you can do all the activities, and they will check the machine will check, and you will get the proficiency, just like doing in offline mode. Also they are providing many platforms, like we have some Platify for doing the virtual labs, and some of these portals are using such tools for having the practical experience, for giving the practical experience. They are doing such virtual labs also.
Okay, sir, thank you. Sir, one more question is there. Do we get an international standard in education by implementing the National Education Policy 2020?
Muneer.
Yes, I can see. The government is planning to increase the budget almost double in the education sector. Why? Because the government recognizes that we have a huge student community here, so we need to upskill our human resource for the nation building. So I think in the NEP Policy 2020, government is planning to increase the budget for the increase the budget for the education sector. So that's why very immediately the government will start the new research institutions, research universities, and also government will focus mainly for the autonomous colleges to improve the quality of teaching and learning practice in our country. So I think thereby we can improve the focusing mainly on the research part. I think definitely we can increase the standard of education in India to an international level. So government is planning for that in the policy, and we can see many examples, right? The IITs and IIMs are initiating many new policies. Many new courses that mainly cope up with the international standards, I think.
Yes, sir, thank you. It looks like we have covered all. Okay. A dynamic leader whose tireless effort has helped the Department of Computer Application to grow to its full bloom. It's my pleasure to welcome the able leadership, Mr. Roger Thomas, sir, the HOD of Computer Application, Kristu College of Management and Technology, for his words.
Thank you, Gopika. It is indeed a privilege to have both of resource person for today's session. I personally know Jibin sir for quite a long time. And if I want to tell about him, I can say that he is a learner. He would like to learn anything from everyone. Okay, that is his, he is a nodal officer, IEDC nodal officer, and he is a great teacher. Now he has taken a break from the college for pursuing his research. He is doing his PhD also. So the class which has been taken by Mr. Muneer and Mr. Jibin, Muneer sir and Jibin sir, that has been truly a wonderful class, because we are all in the state of pandemic and we are all depending on online classes or online courses. So they were here to direct us into a right path, or put you into a right track to recognize which course can be attained by the students for certain purposes. So they have clearly mentioned the different type of websites and different type of certification process. So it is also very clear that in this pandemic era, when we all are still in our comfort zone, we have got enough time with us. See, when we are coming into the college, you have to get up at morning 6 o'clock. Now I am very sure that all of you are getting at almost by 8 a.m. So you're getting enough time to sleep. You've got enough time at home. Please make use of all this time. You have internet with you. You have laptops with you. So you have pretty more resources with you. Recent study in Google, they have come up with a statement that only 10% of students are actually using Google for academic purpose. So that is a very pathetic information to hear. See, just 10% or just a margin, 10 to 15% of students are using Google for academic purpose. Rest of them are all busy in searching something like which games to be downloaded or something like that. So it has become the games, social media platform has become a part of our life. We have to a part of that, all these scenarios. But since we are all PG students and UG students, you're in the computer science field, and you know that it is one of the most difficult field in this era, because difficult in the sense you are facing a lot of competitions every day. Whatever you learn today, in the next few days it will be outdated. So you need to be updated each and every time. So one of the best example is Mr. Muneer and Mr. Jibin. Jibin sir and Muneer sir, they are into this online platform. They are gone for a lot of certifications. They're motivating the students. So we are indeed privileged today to have both these eminent personalities with us. From the bottom of my heart, I thank Muneer sir and Jibin sir for being with us today. Thank you, sir. Thank you for motivating and showing the correct online platforms to our students. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for the management and the students. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Roji sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Everything must have. Okay, sir. Okay. Everything must have an end, but each ending paved the way for the beginning of new things. Miss Hannah BG is here to propose the vote of thanks.
Respected today's resource persons, beloved teachers, and my dear friends, I am Hannah BG, MCSM2 student. We know that there will be an end for all the good things in life. So is this discussion. On behalf of Kristu College of Management and Technology, I take this opportunity to propose a vote of thanks to those who have directly and entirely contributed to this webinar on Web-based learning in India in context of NEP 2020, organized by our Department of Computer Application in association with IQAC. I express my sincere gratitude to our honorable resource persons of the day, Mr. Jibin and Mr. Muneer KH. They have given us a clear understanding on web-based learning in India. Thank you so much for taking time from your busy schedule to enlighten us. Even in his absence, I thank you, our principal, Father Joshi Siramkudi CMI, for providing immense support to make the webinar successful. I would like to thank Dr. O.T. Chosa, the Director of MCA, for your support and guidance. I would like to thank our HOD, Mr. Roji Thomasa, for your guiding us to excel in all domains. I extend my sincere thanks to Mr. Sushil Chosa, IQC coordinator, for all the pain you have taken for this webinar. A special thanks to all the students for your active participation. I also thank all the teachers and students who took effort to make this webinar a grand success. Once again, thank you all. Have a nice day.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Hannah.
Thank you, sir.
Now,
thank you, sir. Thank you, Minister. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Now we have come to the end of the session. Feedback form is provided in the chat box. I request all the dear participants to kindly fill the feedback form. Great. Thank you all. We appreciate you for being here. Thanks again for joining us today, and we will see you next time. Stay safe, stay healthy, break the chain. Thank you.
Thank you, Gopika.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.